A very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to solve application of geometric sequence question. Okay, so the question in front of us is about rabbit population. Okay, and this rabbit population will increase 2% each year. Okay, so in order to solve this question, we have to make a table. Okay, the table is something like this. So we can start the first column with year. Okay, year. Okay, so the year is 2012. Yeah, and then this one is just leave it out. We are going to figure out what is the TN. The TN. Okay, so this is the first T lah. T1. T1. Okay, and then this is the population lah. Population. Okay, so T1, our T1 now is our population for the first year is 220,000. Okay, so settle already. Okay, now it says here in the question will increase by 2% each year. So what does it mean? It means that 2013, in 2013, T2, okay, T2, it will increase. Okay, so what does it mean by increase? Okay, it means the population will add some more. Okay, so we have the previous population, 320,000. So this is the population in 2012, and we add 2% of them. Okay, so we have to copy paste it over here. Okay, and then multiply it by 2%. Okay, so 2% in decimal is 0.02. Okay, so you have to make sure lah. Increase mean we have to add them over here. So we have to add them over here. If it's decrease, then we have to minus lah. No brainer. Okay, now, but don't solve it yet. Do not solve with your calculator. No. Okay, what we have to do, we have to come up with the pattern. We have to come up with the Tn is something, n power something, minus 1 ke or plus 1 ke, something like that. We have to come up with the general equation. So in order to do that, we have to factorize this 320,000 over here. Or maybe for the sake of easy calculating, okay, we substitute these two numbers with T1. So what we have here, T1 plus T1 multiply 0.02. Okay, and then this T1 and this T1, we can factor them out. Okay, we can put them outside of a bracket. Okay, then we take out T1 from T1 in the first term, we have 1. We take T1 from the second term, it leaves us with 0.02. So we have to plus 0.02. And then we get T1 equals 1.02. So this is the population in 2013. We can proceed one more time. 2014, 12, 13, 14. So this is T3. So T3, so how to get T3? Easy. T3 is the previous population, T2. Okay. And then we add 2% of T2. Same goes to the first one over here lah. More or less the same thing anyways. Yeah. Okay, and then we can see over here we have 2 T2s over there. We can factorize. Okay, so factorize the first one. We have T2. Okay, leave us with 1 and then plus. We factorize another T2. Leave us with 0.02. Okay, and then this one we add them, we get 1.02. Okay, and then T2, what is T2? T2 is T1 multiply 1.02. So I substitute it here lah. T1 1.02. So what happened 1.02 multiply 1 by 02? It's T1 1.02 squared. So over here we know lah it's power of 1. And then over here is power of 2. So from this pattern, okay, we can come up with the Tn, the general form of it. Yeah, the general form of it. Yeah. Okay, what is the general form? The general form is T1. T1 is 320,000. Okay, and then 1.02 power what? This power we have to figure out. We have to generate. We have to look at the pattern. Okay, over here there's no 1.02, so it means, okay, lag suddenly. Sorry, 1.02 power of what? Okay, you see over here, power 2 decrease by 1, power 1, and decrease by 1, it should be power 0. And then let's have a look. When it's 1 over here, it is 0. So what happened when we substitute, what sort of like equation or function? When we substitute 1, it becomes 0. Okay, one of the possible one is n minus 1. N minus 1. Okay, so we want 0 over there, right? Okay, so it's n minus 1. Okay, we try whether it's correct or not. So we substitute 1, it becomes 0. We substitute 2, it becomes 1. Correct or not? So 2 minus 1 is 1. So correct lah. Okay, how about T3? We substitute 3 inside. So 3 minus 1 is 2 over here. Correct already. So this is the general term. This is the general term. Okay, so how to answer this question? Round your answer. Okay, what will the rabbit population will be in 2015? Okay, so we have the general form already, so it's easy lah. Okay, so 2012 is T1, 2013 is T2, 2014 is T3, so 2015 is T what? It's T4. It's T4. So just substitute 4 inside this general equation that you just get already. Okay, 102. Berapa tadi? 4. 4 minus 1, right? Okay. So the figure you DIY lah. DIY lah. You use lah your calculator. Just use your calculator. Okay. Let's continue with the second part of the question. Okay, same question but the B part lah. In which year will the rabbit population reach 400,000? Reach means what? Reach means equal lah. Equal. So in which year? It's talking about what year, right? So we know our Tn here, it corresponds to the year itself. Okay, so it's like we minus 1 to the last digit and then we get the T, right? Yeah. Okay, so we get the T, the number of n, we just add the number 201 to get the number of year. Okay, that's fine, no problem. Okay, so we get the number of n first. So what we are going to do is Tn equals 400,000. But we never get the Allah. Okay, we never get the common difference or the first term. Okay, so we have to look at the table first. So as you can see over here, this is our first term, T1 or A. Okay, so we copy paste it over here. A is 320,000. Okay, what is the D? Common difference. Okay, the common difference is take this one, okay, and then we divide by that one. Okay, so D is 320,000. 1.02 divide by the first term 320,000, and then we get this one cancel out already, we get 1.02. So this is our D. This is not our D, my bad, this is our R. Okay, because we are dividing, we get the common ratio. So this is a geometric sequence. Okay, my bad. Okay, in which year the rabbit population will reach that one? Why bother? No. My bad. Wrong. I made a mistake. Allah, dah ada jawapan dah. Okay, tak apalah. Okay, I made a mistake. We already got the general equation over here. So, just use lah, recycle. So, Tn from there, copy paste. 320,000, 1.02, n minus 1 equals 400,000. Okay, so there's answer already over there. We can check lah whether correct or not. Okay, so what to do over here? Okay, these 30 can cancel, leave us with that one. Okay, divide lah first. So 400 divide 320. Alah, I didn't bring lah my calculator. Wait, calculator. Okay, change to scientific mode then. Okay, I have my calculator next to me now. 400 T20, 1.25. This is 1.25. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so 1.02 n minus 1. Okay, so what we do now is ln both side. So taking ln both side, see 1.25. Okay, this one also n minus 1. Put bracket ln 1.02. Okay, so what we do is we divide lah. We divide ln 1.25 by 1.02. Okay, for sure get decimal. Don't worry. For sure we get the decimal. Apa tadi? Get lah the decimal. Okay, so wait, ln 1.25 divide ln 1.02. You want to use log to the base 10 also, no problem. Okay, you will get the same answer. What I get is 11.27 lah. N minus 1. So n equals 12.27. Okay, now, in which year will the rabbit population reach 400,000? The n is 12.27. Okay, now, you cannot round it off to 12. Okay, because when n is 12, the population never reach 400,000. Okay, so we have to take the next number. Okay, so it's n equals to 13. Then when n equals 13, the population reach 400,000. It is more than that actually. To be precise, it's more than that. Okay, you can use your calculator to check. It's more than that, but it meets the purpose because the question asks for population reach. You cannot round it down. You cannot say n is 12. Okay, maybe you want to argue 12.2 is not more than 0.5. We have to round it down lah, kan? No, it is not. Because when you substitute n equals 12 inside the general equation over here, this one, you will not get 400,000. You don't trust me, you put yourself. And then you see whether it reach or not 400,000 as the question wants. Okay? Now, so what to do? N is 13. So what to do? We have to add to the year. Okay? Just now we know 2015 is N4. Okay? So we just need to add, alamak. 3-1, add 1 lah kan? Add 1 year already. Add 2011. Add 2011. So this one you add 2011, you get N4. Okay, so N13 means that you have to add the same number. Okay, 2024. 2024. This is wrong lah, mistype. Didn't bother. No need to look. No need to look. Okay, so this is the year. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.